still gonna keep it real in this another episode of Wow Podcast. Yes. For today's episode, it's gonna be related to the previous episode na it's about approaching life in early adulthood, ganyan. As a 3-year-old adult, 23 pa lang po ako, yes. So, I just wanna have or like discuss this thing na alam ko possible na na-approach nyo na rin or nangyayari sa buhay nyo, and if ever man na dumating kayo sa point na to, just listen to this podcast. So, the topic is about practicality versus passion versus purpose. Hindi ko rin alam, basta may kita nyo yun yan. Pero, yeah, I just wanna share na I feel like, in my opinion, it's gonna be a common dilemma to have, a dilemma. It's gonna be a common thing for us, early adults, to have a dilemma between passion and practicality. So, let's start with the fact that discuss natin yung practicality. Wow, gigil, gusto mo yan. Discuss natin yung practicality. Let's start and admit the fact that we all came from different backgrounds, ganyan. Iba-iba yung pinanggalingan na we all came from different walks of life. We don't share the same privilege. We don't share the same access to information. We don't share the same amount of opportunities that we may think of and we may encounter. So, yun, feeling ko yun yung mga factor or parang yung point na need natin consider kapag nandilin tayo sa practicality in life. And on the other side, yung passion, ganyan, meron talaga na darating sa point na parang masasabi nila, ay, ganyan-ganyan lang siya, ganito, ganyan. Pero hindi na naiisip na the things that is related to their passion, someone's passion, may be the reason why they are still alive, why they are still, they choose to keep going. The things that you may think of, the hobbies, ganyan, sa mga skills, talents, ganyan, or simply the likes and wants, maybe these things is what they keep them going in life. So, alam ko mahirap na yung dilemma na magkaroon ka ng kung ano i-approach mo sa early adulthood na parang isipin mo, maybe I should pursue the things that I really, really want deep down to my core, or maybe I need to be realistic din na yun nga, limited lang din yung source mo, limited lang din yung opportunity sa'yo, ganyan. So, bakit ba siya need natin i-discuss? Feeling ko, I just need to amplify this na we have to be gentle with ourselves in approaching life, navigating life. Kasi, normal then yung, or like I would say, there are still some instances na, alam mo yun, hindi natin maiiwasan na i-compare yung life natin to other people. Especially when you are goal-oriented. It's okay to be goal-oriented. Wag lang yung too much na, alam mo yun, nagsiset ka talaga ng timeline for yourself na parang, by the age of ganto ganyan, hindi ako fan ng ganon eh. Just to let you know, fun fact, hindi ako fan ng ganon na parang, alam mo yun, nagsiset ka ng by the age of ganto ganyan. Kasi parang it just add another pressure for you to, achieve things on a certain age. Kasi, considering the things that I've mentioned, hindi rin kasi natin nga hawak kung kailan natin siya ma-achieve yung mga bagay-bagay. So, it's okay if feeling mo na left behind ka na, feeling mo parang nagkakaroon tayo ng thoughts na parang, I should have achieved things by this time, I should have achieved a lot of things, dapat gantong age, ang dami ko na naipunda, dami ko na na-invest, ganto ganyan. Pero considering you have to focus on yourself talaga, it's always about focus. Hindi naman yung focusing oneself na parang self-care ka na lang, ganto ganyan, but focusing your attention to your journey alone. Kasi as what I have mentioned, there's no point of comparing your life to other people kasi magkakaiba tayo ng timeline, magkakaiba tayo ng pinanggalingan sa buhay, magkakaiba tayo ng skills. So, laging meron talaga. So, gusto ko i-mention na parang may mga memes na ngayon or parang mga shared posts na nakikita ko before na sinasabi, okay lang naman i-compare yung life ko pag ako yung lamang. Hindi rin kasi it's way, way better or it's always been a better choice to remain grounded, to be humble. Kasi everything that you have right now, kung alam ng Lord or parang ng universe na parang, okay, boastful ka na, tanggalin ko. Alam mo yun, yung ganun. So, yeah. Anyway, approaching so, ayan, yung passion, practicality, um, mas bothering for me or alarming for me if hindi mo alam yung purpose mo why you are doing or pursuing such field. And knowing one's purpose in life takes so much time. Kaya na-mention ko yung timeline and hindi mo siya malalaman not unless mas focus ka sa attention mo sa sarili mo. And it's a journey, it's a process, it's a long process na we are about to make or we are about to have na kailangan nating daanan talaga. And yung purpose, feeling ko, hindi lang siya iisa. Yes, siguro may ano tayo, parang general purpose tayo to remain kind, to worship God, and one God, ganito ganyan. Pero yung purpose, feeling ko, by season din siya. Depende kada season, depende kada phase of your life. May purpose tayo sa ganong certain point na yon. Just like meeting people, feeling ko every time na nakakamit tayo ng people, hindi siya accident. Hindi siya yung, alam mo yun, na-meet ko siya ganito ganyan. Maybe you have this purpose or maybe wala lang, nothing lang. Pero sooner in time marirealize mo na, okay, kaya ko pala na-meet yung mga ganito ganyan. It's either they're a lesson or chapter lang sila sa life ko, ganito ganyan, story lang sila na I'm about to make. Pero everything na pag i-ano mo, na i-accumulate mo yan, ganyan, iuupuan mo talaga yung journey mo, ganyan. Everything will make sense at the end. And yun yung sinasabi ko na discovering one purpose in life is a journey kasi hindi natin siya malalaman agad-agad. And yeah, na-mention ko kung yung practicality kanina. Gets ko, sana mas gets natin yung sarili natin pag dumating tayo sa point na pinupursue natin yung, alam mo yun, yung practical side na lang. Pero, wag naman sana dumating sa point na, alam mo yun, kaya nga, pag hindi mo alam yung purpose mo, kasi yung purpose, para siyang foundation ng isang establishment. Ito yung foundation mo, ito yung pinanghuhugutan mo in life, ganyan. The reasons, the whys, why you are doing such thing, why you are approaching this path, ganyan. So, kapag hindi mo alam yung purpose mo, it's easier for you to be, lost. It's easier for you to be prone to mistakes and failures kapag hindi mo na alam yung purpose mo kasi para mas madali sa'yo to make stupid decision, to make hindi naman sa stupid, sobrang harsh naman yun. But like, alam mo yun, yung hindi ganun pinag-isipan na decision kasi hindi mo alam yung purpose mo. And, yun nga, going back, ayoko naman dumating sa point na, yung sa sobrang practical mo na, okay, sige, kailangan ko lang kumita ng pera, ganyan. Ayoko naman dumating sa point na, okay, sige, eto yung work, ganyan, ito yung life na makakapag-provide talaga sa akin, masisecure talaga yung future ko and even the people around me, ganyan, yung future people na i-build ko, ganyan, community, family, ganyan. Ayoko dumating ng parang, yung purpose mo na lang, o yung reason na lang kung bakit mo siya ginugusto or nagugustuhan yung field na is about money. So, kung naniniwala ko, or parang sa Bible perspective, di ba, parang money is the root cause of evil talaga. So, ayoko naman dumating na parang mukha na lang akong pera na parang, alam mo yung mata mo na parang dollar sign na lang, ganyan, pera, ganyan. Tapos, hindi mo na na-realize na yung valuable things, yung experiences with other people, ganyan, yung relationship with other people, kasi sobrang pera na lang. Ayoko naman nun, sobrang practical mo na parang, kailangan ko naman na, buhayin yung sarili ko at makabawi sa pamilya ko, ganito ganyan. Ayoko dumating sa point na yun kasi everything that is too much is alarming. So, moderation lang. Yeah, it's okay to be, practical, ganyan, kumikita tayo and provide things for our family, for our own investment, ganyan. Pero ayoko yun na lang yung reason, ganyan. And the other side, yung passion, ganyan. Aware na rin kayo sa, yung mga stereotypes, so parang prejudice na sa mga taong nagpe-pursue ng art-related field, ganyan, program, ganyan yung sinasabi nila na parang wala namang pera dyan parang passion, ganyan. Oo, masaya, ganito, ganyan. Pero, hindi natin alam kung ano yung pinangugutan nila why they are doing such thing. Maybe, yun na lang yung mga reason nga, yung mga bagay that keeps them going in life. And it's a different fulfillment when you are doing the things that you love. Kasi mas ano siya, hindi less tiring siya and bearable talaga yung situation kapag alam mo yung ginagawa mo at saka gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, 'di ba? Parang hindi at parang mas lesser yung tendency na hindi ka mapapagod talaga kasi nga gusto mo yung ginagawa mo. But above all of this thing that I have mentioned, it will all boils down to your purpose in life. So, yun, going back, yung journey nga siya, yung purpose mo. So, it's really, really important to have an obedient heart. I know, related to passion. Yung heart kasi parang, di ba, passion, parang, heart talaga, heart talks, ganyan. But, remind yourself, I just wanna remind you na our heart can be deceitful din, na parang, sometimes kasi yung heart din natin, pwede siyang, alam mo yung katukin-katukin na parang, oh sige, person mo lang yan, ganto ganyan, tapos nakakalimutan mo yung practical side, ganto ganyan. So, it's about balance talaga. Kaya nga nilagay yung utak natin higher than our heart. Kasi, yeah, center dapat na decision natin yung heart natin. Kasi, we need to make sure lang na pure yung intentions natin, ganyan. But, at the end of the day, we are still living in this cruel world na kailangan nating mag-isip. So, kailangan nating gamitin yung isip talaga natin. We have to be, radical but practical and logical at the same time in approaching and navigating life and this adulthood. So, may nakalimutan ba ako? Maybe may nakalimutan ako, pero if ever may nakalimutan ako and you want to expound the discussion, you are more than welcome to share your sentiments and share your opinion. We can discuss things through comment section. Utilize natin yung feature na yun. Opo, yes. If nanonood kayo, nakikinig kayo, don't be shy. Come on, bestie. Don't be shy. Pero, if you wanna still connect with me or suggest some podcast ideas, ganyan, or topics, ganyan, you can hit me up sa Instagram. And if you wanna be updated lang kung ano ginagawa ko in life, probably, you might wanna follow me on TikTok or Twitter na medyo stan account na. But, yeah, anyway, you can still see me anywhere. Everything is at Obvious in JY. So, yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Just be gentle with yourself. Remain a pure, obedient heart and a purposeful life. To live a purposeful life. Wow, yes, Lay. Yeah, I miss you guys so much. Sana, may may sense to sabi ko. Pero, yeah. I'll see you guys next time.